Tesla appears to be turning back to radar for its vehicles. Tesla plans to add a new radar product to its vehicles mid-January, according to documents posted with the Federal Communications Commission. The disclosure, which was first reported by Electrek, comes as the company faces scrutiny over the safety and capabilities of its standard advanced driver assistance system known as Autopilot, and the $15,000 optional upgraded product branded as full self-driving. FSD Beta software offers automated driving features. Well, they could just call it automated driving features. They could call it ADF. Automated driving features.
All right, yeah.
Do you want to unlock automated driving features? It's way less exciting, but currently they have claimed that they can achieve full autonomy through a vision-only approach, cameras, essentially. So you have other sensors like LiDAR, radar, that other companies actually have enabled as well. In favor of cameras and a deep neural network that quickly processes the vehicle's surroundings and responds in real time. CEO Elon Musk previously promised to solve full self-driving by the end of this year. And I don't know, are they running into roadblocks with vision-only based self-driving? The company began removing radar from its vehicles last May. In October, Tesla removed its 12 ultrasonic sensors. This is the thing that you won't shut up about. You're so angry about these ultrasonic sensors.
Yeah.
Because in your video, it's like probably one of the first things you cover.
Yeah.
Right, on the Model 3. You're like, look at this. You're like, look at the front bumper. I have no sensors.
Because they actually took out features, the parking assistant out of it, like my Tesla.
I mean, they're constantly taking the minimalist approach. Like, do we need that? Nah, get rid of it. Like, that seems to be the thing that they do. Can we do it with vision? Can we do it with cameras? Okay, let's do that.
But I do like that idea, that there's less components and it just focuses more on like specific components that are really good at doing one thing.
That'd be great. But right now, your life is easier with the sensors.
Yeah,
Because I know, because I have them.
Yeah.
Now it appears radar is back. It's not yet clear which models will get the new radar. The type of radar Tesla intends to market next year is of a frequency that's allocated by the FCC for ADAS use cases. Okay, so this is super early, this application, and people are uncertain of where and how it could be applied, but obviously there's an interest there in possibly implementing radar once again and not being strictly vision-based, and maybe there's some advantages to that. I don't know what. Conditions. I've been thinking about that a lot with these nasty conditions outside.
The cameras get muddy.
The weather,
dirty.
the way it's going right now.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just a thought that I had. But either way, I guess if it makes them better and more effective and more capable, then get the sensors back. Whatever.